Would you like to become a professional Android developer? Or perhaps just build your very own Android application from scratch? Well, then this course is for you. Hi, my name is Joe Paris, and I'm serving more than 68,000 students on Udemy in over 30 courses. Together, working with Ashutosh Pawar, we're going to show you exactly how you can build your very own Android applications from scratch. Now, here's what you get, and here's what you're going to learn throughout our entire course. We're first going to teach you how to use and set up the Android Studio and all of its tools to create professional-looking applications. Then, you're going to learn the Android basics and an overview of the interface. After that, we're going to teach you how to create buttons and applications and help you design your apps. You're then going to learn how to use text and animation in your applications, game development, and so much more. Also, Ashutosh and myself will do our best to answer each and every one of your questions that you have while taking this course. When creating your Android applications, it is important to have the basic understanding of Java. It is also recommended that students have a computer with at least 4 GB of RAM for running the applications on the emulator. This course also works best for students who have an up-to-date Android device that is able to run heavy applications and games. Now, I always want my students to feel comfortable when making a purchase. That is why I have uploaded multiple free preview lectures for you to view at any time. Also, Udemy and I offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to risk and everything to gain from enrolling in our course. It's time to take action. Go ahead and click the Take This Course Now button, and we will see you inside the course. Thanks again for enrolling.